Why does rain make the earth smell fresh? One rainy afternoon, Noah noticed a fresh, earthy smell coming from the ground after the rain started. He wondered why the rain made the earth smell this way.
Why does the rain make the ground smell fresh?
Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Breezy appeared to explain why the earth smells fresh after it rains.
Hi Noah. I'm Breezy, the weather fairy. Let me tell you why the rain makes the earth smell so fresh.
Breezy explained that when it rains, it releases a special smell called Petrichor from the ground.
The fresh smell you notice after it rains is called Petrichor, and it comes from the ground.
Breezy told Noah that Petrichor is created by a type of bacteria in the soil that releases a chemical when it rains.
Petrichor is made by a special bacteria in the soil. When it rains, they release a chemical that creates the fresh smell.
Breezy explained that the bacteria live in the soil and wait for rain to release the fresh-smelling chemical.
These bacteria live in the soil, and they wait for rain to release the special smell that you notice.
Breezy told Noah that the smell of Petrichor spreads through the air when the rain falls and the wind blows.
When the rain falls and the wind blows, the fresh smell of Petrichor spreads through the air for everyone to enjoy.
Breezy explained that the rain helps the earth wake up and releases the smell, which makes the ground feel alive.
The rain wakes up the earth, and that's why everything smells so fresh. It's like the earth coming back to life.
Breezy told Noah that rain helps clean the air by washing away dust and dirt, making the smell even fresher.
Rain washes away dust and dirt from the air, making everything smell even fresher.
Breezy explained that rain is very important for helping plants and trees grow, making the earth smell alive.
Rain helps plants and trees grow, making the earth feel alive and filling the air with that fresh smell you love.
Noah smiled, now understanding why the rain makes the earth smell fresh, and couldn't wait to share what he earned.
Thanks, Breezy. Now I know why the rain makes the ground smell fresh.